Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the June Bellabox, so let's get into it. Got the purple box this month. It feels full without feeling heavy, if that makes sense. I don't know why, but let's have a look inside. So we've got some cute constellations on the card. Let's dive in, shall we? What is this big boy? This is the Evolus Hair Growth Tonic for Women. This is full size. It is 50 mils and retails for $59 at evolusproducts.com.au. Hello, a full size product that's $59? You are very much welcome in my life. Evolus Hair Growth Tonic has been clinically tested to help reduce hair loss and increase the number of growing hair follicles. Developed by hair biologists, color and keratin safe, and formulated with natural botanicals to stop the effects of hair loss causing protein FGF5. Leaves no greasy residue and keeps hair growing longer, stronger and faster. This product is suitable for all hair types. Now that is actually really cool and I'm really excited to give it a go. I would love to grow some more hair. That sounds amazing. That's what it looks like. Very interesting. I'm curious, like, do you use it when your hair's wet or dry? You apply it to the scalp and massage gently. It doesn't say to use when your hair's wet or dry. I probably would use it while my hair is wet, just so my dry hair doesn't become, you know, a little bit awkwardly, you know, greasy or anything. I can see that this expires in October this year, so we've only got a couple months to use it, so I guess that's why it's in the box, because the brand had a bunch of stuff that's going to expire soon, so why not sell it off a little bit cheaper, and in bulk to Bellabox. So that's just what I see from that, but I'm still very excited to try it nonetheless. And I'm sure the expiry date, you know, it has some lenience, you know. I doubt it's like super, you know, strict or anything. But yeah, really keen to try that one out. Next, we have this one. It is Bio Oil Skincare Oil. It's just a sample size, but the full 125ml size retails for $24.95 at pharmacies and Coles. And yeah, we have it at the pharmacy I work at. Bio Oil Skincare Oil is specifically formulated to help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It is #1 recommended by GPs for scars and stretch marks. Loved by many for nearly 20 years in Australia. Massage skincare oil twice daily into skin and keep it looking supple and moist. So yeah, this is, as they say, is good for stretch marks. This one luckily has a long expiry date of 2025, so I'm sure I've got plenty of time to use this one. Very cute little bottle. Next we have something we have seen in the box before. It is Roche Posay Anthelios Invisible Fluid Facial Sunscreen, SPF 50 plus. This is just a sample 3ml size, but the 50ml full size is $29.95. Online at rocheposay.com.au and at Door Beauty, and in store at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. A lightweight daily facial sunscreen made for sensitive skin, providing broad spectrum, very high UVA, UVB protection, while delivering an invisible finish. Its fragrance-free formula is suitable for all skin types and also specifically designed for sensitive skin. So I will, you know, add this to my drawer and eventually I'll get to it, but yeah, I've received this before. Next, this is something that I can't remember if I've gotten from a Bellabox before or if I've gotten before. Either way, I have tried this product before. I just can't remember where I tried it from. We stock this at my work. I'm personally not a fan of this product. It just didn't work for me, but that's okay. Doesn't mean it won't work for you. But this one is the Plunkett's Vita E Natural Vitamin E Cream. This is just a sample 20 gram size, but the 100 gram full size retails for $15.45 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Plunkett's Vita E Cream contains high potency vitamin E and is enriched with rosehip oil. This non-greasy cream is based on natural vitamin E, which is more potent they've made a typo, sorry, than synthetic vitamin E. That makes it easier to absorb. It moisturizes, nourishes, and restores dry and damaged skin, suitable for face, hands, and body. Personally, my experience with this was that when I would put it on my face, it would really be like tough to rub in, and it would kind of drag my skin, and I'd be pulling on my skin just to try and get this to sink in, and it was not fun. I personally didn't enjoy it, but I still recommend, if you get this in your box, to try it nonetheless, because just because it didn't work for me doesn't mean it won't work for you. So still give it a go, but my personal experience was that I didn't quite enjoy it. And last but not least, we have an exciting product that is the Murrell Natural Lipstick. This one's full size, retails for $30 at Priceline and Terry White. Your lips are going to love Murrell's creamy natural lipstick. Its rich emollient properties ensure long-lasting color, with avocado oil providing moisture and hydration, and cinnamon giving fuller and plumper lips. Plus, its added evening primrose oil is rich in omega-6 to soothe and moisturize. So we got to choose like what color we wanted in the lipstick for the box, and there was 4 options, and 2 options I've already like received that color in Bellabox before, because we have received these lipsticks before. The 3rd option just would not suit me at all, so there was no option. I picked the red one. It says, little sticker, you're beautifully natural. Beautiful naturally. I don't know, I'm just late, I'm trying to read. So they have updated their packaging. I have some of the old packaging, some of this packaging. So this is the red. It's kind of, looks orangey in the camera, but I'm not sure it is. Called Rymba Rhythm. Oh, it has a little flower stamped in it. I don't want to ruin it, but here we go. That is what the color looks like. It looks in the camera like a really orangey red. It kind of looks like that in person, just not as orangey as it looks in the camera. I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah. The one that wouldn't have suited me was a coral. Personally, corals don't, like, they're okay on the right occasion, but they personally aren't the most suited to me. And the other 2 options that I already owned were like nudie pinks. So yeah, if we get these lipsticks again and we do get the choice, I will have to pick the coral, because I have every other color they offer. So yeah. We also have a DoorDash card. They have switched from HelloFresh to DoorDash apparently. And we also have a little voucher for the Paper Club subscription service, just like Bellabox, but it's for stationery. I've actually unboxed one of their mystery boxes on my channel before, so I'll make sure to link that video below. But yeah, the Paper Club is actually really cool. They send like amazing stationery gift boxes. They have mystery boxes. I personally got a mystery box. I didn't sign up for the regular one, but yeah, so cool. You get so much value for money. So if stationery is something that you're interested in, I would highly recommend you check them out. And yeah, you can use the code BELLA20 to save some money. So looking at the products that we got in the box this month, I'm not the most excited person in the entire world. It's kind of an average one. I mean, the bio oil is an okay product, and it's not something we've really seen in the boxes before. So I do like, I think that was a good product to include. The hair serum is really cool as well, and it's a great price tag on it. It's just that it expires so quickly that I assume that that's why it's in the box. The Roche Posay product we've received before. Kind of sick of receiving these things. The lipstick is really cool if you know, haven't already got all the shades. And the vitamin E cream I don't really like, to be honest. So I'm kind of 50-50 on this one. Oh, that lipstick smells like cinnamon. Really, Wow, okay, I'm smelling the cinnamon now. But yeah, I'm kind of 50-50 on this one. Like, some products are good, some products are just meh. But that's just my personal opinion. So let me know in the comments, what did you get in your box and what did you think? What did you think about the products I got in mine? Did we get anything the same, or did you get something that I didn't get? So yeah, let's have a convo in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.